Welcome to the MSS Capital Futures Trading Channel. If this is your first time here, we'd like to welcome you and make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of this awesome and great content. If you've been here before, we'd like to welcome you back, and let's go over the risk disclosure. Hey fellow traders, this is Brad Stoll here with MSS Capital Futures Trading. I'm the co-founder and head trader here. So let's discuss the market today. So as this morning we're looking at 34.2275 was the settlement price from yesterday. We're looking for short opportunities at 34.50. We're watching the break to the upside of 34.40. If we broke 34.50, the upside was looking for 34.60. The 34.14 through 34.26 was a short time traded yesterday afternoon before the close, and there was a lot of volume traded at that point. So let's go ahead and look and see what happened today. So as you can see here, we're looking at the 9:30 time frame on a 5-minute chart, and let's just zoom in on this here. So right here we started off at 9:30, decent candle coming up into the 40s. Whoa, look at that. As soon as we came down, hit that 40 mark right at the point we were watching for the break, bam, went right up to 50. Well, here you go. We only got all the way up to 53.75, and then we came all the way back down to 33.26. That was a nice short if we were able to get it, and I hope a lot of you did, like myself. And then as we watched for the next break above 34.40, we see that it broke and clearly just look at that big dino bar that went all the way through. Then we proceeded to say that 34.50 was not our trade point anymore. We're going to look for the upside, which was 34.60. Had to be a little bit more patient here. Wait for it to get the RSI to get a little bit overextended. Let's see what this market was doing. 34.6975, but we're really looking for 34.70. We were a tick off in the group chat, but still, even if you got back in at 34.60, which we were talking about, we said, all right, well, let's see what happens here. Well, kind of had a bar here that, with the volume and everything that was looking, it didn't look like there was too much left running for the bulls. The bears are starting to take over, and as you can see, they just, after lunch, they just came back and just ate it and just went all the way down, right back down to that 33.26 to 14 area that we discussed from yesterday, and we had another gap open on tonight, going into tonight's session open. So that's that. Let's take a look at ES. Let's take a look at gold for today. Sorry guys. So the gold, this morning's chat, there is range bound. The range bound between 1900 and 1890. We're looking on the low end, and 1920 was our high that we're looking for, which is also our weekly kickoff level, as well as 1880 is our weekly kickoff low. The settlement price for this morning was 1911.70 was settlement. So as this market opened, as you can see, which it opens a little bit earlier than the rest of the market, But we're looking down here right around 8:30. We've seen that there was some lows starting to come in. We're looking for a tag settlement, which was 911.70, which is all the way up here. Well, it didn't quite make it, so that was not a trade we were looking for. Well, oh, here we go. We hit 1900, right? What did we say this morning? We were looking for 1900 to 1890. Let me tell you what, as soon as I hit 1900, we took it. The group said, this is our buy, this is our chance, let's go. Because we're going all the way up to 1911. That's one contract from 1900 to 1911.70. So we figured we could risk the $400 to have the opportunity to make a little over $1,100 on this trade. Well, look at this. We came 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes into the trade, we hit our profit target. And then from there, it just continued to be a decent holding point on today. So if you'd like to be able to find out what our levels are each morning, we do post those in the group chat. We would like you for us to join us so that you can be able to get in these trades as well. We had a nice $2,200 day. Don't have those often, but it is sure nice when we have them. We were only trading one contract today because the market was so choppy and there was a lot of news about stimulus coming out, about the Senate starting the trial for the Supreme Court justice position. So we did not want to have a lot of risk on the table for today. So today was a smaller trading day, but it turned out to have a larger profit because of the volatility that's in the market. If you need help, we do offer coaching courses as well, which will give you a little bit more of a one-on-one session. If you do see this indicator that we have here, that tells us when it's a good possibility to take a long and where our targets are going to be, where our stop is going to be. If you would like that, we also have that available as well for you to purchase. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below, or you can reach out to us on social media through Facebook or Instagram, or also through our website with our email. Thanks, traders, and be safe, keep risk small, and let's keep getting those profits.